Welcome to our channel. If you're a veteran, you may be eligible for VA health and disability benefits. Follow these step-by-step instructions to apply successfully and receive the benefits you've earned through your service. Step 1. Determine your eligibility by reviewing your discharge status, length of service, and whether you served in active duty. Generally, you need an other than dishonorable discharge to qualify. Step 2. Gather all necessary documentation including your DD-214 or other discharge papers, service medical records, and any civilian medical records related to your condition. Step 3. Register for VA healthcare by completing Form 10-10 EZ either online at VA.gov, by mail, by phone at 1-877-222-VETS, or in person at your local VA medical center. Step 4. For disability compensation, file a claim using Form 21-526 EZ. You can submit it online through VA.gov, through a veteran service organization, or at a VA regional office. Step 5. Document all service-connected conditions thoroughly, explaining when and how each condition began during your service and how it affects your daily life and ability to work. Step 6. Attend all VA compensation and pension exams as scheduled. These evaluations are crucial for determining your disability rating and benefit amount. Step 7. Provide buddy statements from fellow service members who can verify incidents or the onset of your conditions during service. These personal accounts strengthen your claim significantly. Step 8. Track your claim status online through VA.gov or by calling the VA. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information to avoid delays in processing your benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.